What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, and today, guys, we're going to be unboxing our Ofra TBT mystery box. This was only $15. I think someone tagged me on it on Instagram to let me know about the sale, so y'all, I went on ahead and picked it up. My first unboxing of an Ofra mystery box, I really wasn't too pleased with it. But since this one was only $15, I went ahead and picked it up. And maybe we may get some better stuff this month since it's cheaper, you know? So guys, if you want to see what's in my Ofra mystery box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you use Ofra or not. Okay, guys, so this is going to be a quick little unboxing of our Ofra mystery box. And also, I have a couple other little things that I want to show you guys. I received some products from Hum Beauty here. I'm going to show you guys, as well as a bag I received. I want to show you guys. That's going to come after the Ofra unboxing. So yeah, guys, if you have not seen my Ofra rant video from, like, I think it was when I first started YouTube, like 6 months ago, 7 months ago. I did an unboxing of their mystery box and I hated it. It was like used product. Well, it looked old. I'm not going to say used. The lipstick was separating and Ofra pretty much said a big, I don't care. They didn't do anything about it. So, I was like, I'm not ordering any more mystery boxes from them again. But someone told me about this $15 Ofra mystery box. So I said, okay, 15 bucks. And I actually like Ofra's formula on their highlighters and their lipsticks. Maybe it's better. Maybe it's not really, really old products this time. So yeah, we're going to see, keep our fingers crossed. But y'all know I'm not going to keep y'all long. We're going to get right on into this baby and see. They didn't have anything online about it. It just said $15 for this mystery box. That's it. So I already took off the little thing so that I can make it a little easier for us. It did come like this. It says, thank you for shopping with Ofra. And up here's some nice bubble wrap. I am going to go on Ofra's site and get the prices to all of these products and put them down below, and we'll do a grand total towards the end. So let's see what we got first. Up first on top, I'm seeing these Ofra Cleanse It Off cotton lip wipes. Oh, okay. So they're for your lips, guys, to wipe off their lipstick, because you know their lipstick sticks. Ooh, and it smells like those huggy baby wipes. So, okay. You get 15 wipes in here, and these are 100% cotton lip wipes. So this is what it looks like, guys, and you get 15 of those. So we received this eyeshadow in the shade Auburn. It's this refillable one here. And let's see. It's a very pretty color. I could probably use this as like a bronzer as well. And that is the color right there. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna swatch it. Oh yeah, it's pretty. It does swatch a little powdery, guys, but it's a beautiful, beautiful shade. We received this California Dream Triangle here. I don't like these, guys. I won't even lie to you. I'm not going to swatch it. I'm going to just put it in a giveaway because I know I won't be able to use it. But this is, I don't know if it's a bronzer, highlight, and blush, but I think that's what it is right there. Okay. We also received this Fix Line eyeliner gel in Light My Fire. That's what it looks like, guys. This is what the container looks like. And let's open it. I don't see, this looks dried out to me. I don't know. Look at that, guys. Y'all see how it's separating? It looks so dry out to me, but I don't know. This looks, now this actually looks pretty old. Oh, God. Ugh, I don't think I'm gonna order another mystery box from Ofra. We also received this lip gloss in the shade Love here. This one. It smells like, I don't think it has a scent. It smells kind of like bubble gum. Let's see. It does feel sticky on my hand. That's it right here. But I mean, I am sliding it around. So it's just like a little clear lip gloss. And the last thing we have, now I did watch some other people's unboxings and they really got a lot of nice stuff. I don't know how I feel about mine. Y'all let me know what y'all think. But we do have a full-size highlighter in retrograde. This is what the packaging looks like, guys. And let's see. Oh, Jesus. Does come with the mirror, and this is the highlighter right here. It's pretty. I probably will put this in a giveaway. I don't know about this lavender shade here, but yeah, we'll put this in a giveaway. But it is a full-size highlighter. I'm happy about that. So this is what we got in our mystery box here for $15. Some wipes, highlighter, eyeshadow, a blush trio thing, lip gloss, and an eyeliner. So yeah, that's what we got for 15 bucks from Ofra. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought about my mystery box. Also, go watch some other people's mystery box and tell me if you think mine's compared to theirs or it's about what and what. Let me know, guys, okay? All right, so moving on to some items that was sent to me. I just want to show you guys really quick. This company here, Hum Beauty, reached out to me in email, and they asked me if I would unbox some of their vitamins for them, and I said sure. I do not know how these vitamins work. I haven't used them yet. I just got them today, which is November 15th, so I am testing them out. So I will let you guys know. I would do a follow-up video on these vitamins before I tell you guys yes or no, but I just wanted to unbox them for you so that you can see what it looks like. And it says renewal overnight, wake up bright, start from within. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous. And on the top here, it has a deluxe 3-night sample of Mighty Night, helps overnight cell renewal for skin and body. And this is what it looks like here. Okay, a little sample pack. And we got some cards. And here are the 3 that I chose. I chose the Gut Instinct one, the B12 Turbo, and the Moody Bird one. So they gave me cards on each one, so I'm gonna quickly read what these 3 are supposed to do. Now, again, I have not used these vitamins. I did not, I never heard of this company before. I'm just like unboxing this for you guys. So do your research first before you buy them if you're interested, okay? Cool. So here is the Gut Instinct one, and this is what the bottle looks like, guys. And it says on here, Gut Instinct, friendly bacteria that benefit your digestion, health, and beauty, supports a healthy digestion, boosts good bacteria and the immune system, helps balance the gut microbiome for overall skin health. And it's 30 vegan capsules in here. It says expect results in 4 to 6 weeks. And it's clinically proven ingredients. It's pure and potent, gluten-free, non-GMO, and sustainably sourced. So you're gonna take 1 capsule at any time on an empty stomach for the best results. So yeah, so that's this, guys, here. Then they also sent over these B12 Turbo vitamins here, and these are called the B12 Turbo Vegan B12 for increased energy. A plant-based diet's BFF includes high-quality B12 that is easy to absorb, helps with energy level, nervous system, and red blood cell formation. Ideal for vegans and people eating plant-based diets. Well, that's definitely not me. And it says take 1 capsule at any time with food, and that's that. Yeah, guys, so this was another one they sent over. And the last one is the Moody Bird one here. And this one is the Moody Bird, and it alleviates symptoms of PMS, helps balance hormones, alleviates symptoms associated to PMS, promotes clear skin, and controls breakouts. And you take 1 capsule at any time with food, and this is that one as well. So we got a Gut Instinct, a B12, and a Moody Bird. So again, I'm just showing you guys what they sent to me. I will try them out and see how they work. I have a little bit more research to do on them, but I will do a follow-up video with you guys. So again, guys, this, do your research first before you purchase anything that you have to put into your body, as far as like vitamins or anything, just to make sure that it is safe for you. So I'm going to do some more research on this before I start taking them, and I will keep you guys posted, okay? Cool. And then lastly, I received from this company, JOSEKO. They sent over a little backpack purse as well as a wallet, and all of these items will be linked down below, guys. So it'll be easy for you all to find them. So this is the wallet that they sent over for me, and it is a beautiful red burgundy type wallet. It has this little zipper piece here, and when you open it up, has a place for you to put your cards and your driver's license, and on the other side also for your cards. Inside here, oh, it's broken, looks like. Okay, no. Inside here, they have like a little coin purse and some slots to put your dollars or your receipts, or if you like me, you throw receipts or anything in these little slots here. There's a place for you to put a pen, and it also comes with this little wristlet here, so you can wear it like a little, you know, wristlet on your arm. And it's really cute. It's nice and big. It's not too bulky, but I mean, this would be just cute as like a little wristlet purse. So this is cute. And they also sent over, the company is JOSEKO Fashions, and I'll put their link down below as well. And this is the little backpack that they sent over. It is absolutely cute. It has a little handle here, and how it opens is it zips. They have a zipper here on this side, and on the other side, it's a zipper. It is a leather bag. It feels really soft and really nice, but I don't know how to open up the top part. I mean, oh, so my bad. When you turn it around here, you have a little slot here to put your phone. It's one on each side, and they have two straps in the back for it to be like a little backpack. And when you open it here in the back, you unzip it, you're able to put your items in like that. So it comes with an additional strap too. So yeah, you're able to put your stuff in the back. There's two little slots here. So that's how it opens. It's not a lot of space, but it's enough for like if you're going to a festival, you can put some of your, like, you know, your card, your phone, a little bit of makeup in it. There's a little zipper part on the back here. So yeah, this is a cute little bag. I'm not sure if it's, you know, a bag for me or my little niece, but I mean, it's cute. It's a nice brown leather bag, and they sent this wallet that doesn't really match with it, but it doesn't matter. I could wear this as a wristlet. So yeah, guys, I wanted to show you guys these two products. That is all that I have for today, guys. Remember what I told y'all about these vitamins. Always do your research first before you test out anything that you have to put into your body. This is not no prescription. You know, the doctor didn't write this. This is just something online. So just make sure that you do your research on the company as well as the products inside. I will do some more research before I start taking them, and I will let you guys know in a follow-up video. As far as my Ofra mystery box, I don't know about this box, guys. I think that some of the products are pretty cool. I could use this. I could use the eyeshadow and the lip gloss, but that's pretty much it out of this. But for $15, I guess it's not really too bad. So yeah, guys, that's all that I had. I just wanted to do this quick little video to come through and show you guys some of the stuff that I purchased and received from these companies. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to your girl. I would love to have you be a part of my family. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. What else? Everything that I have will be linked down below in the description so that you guys can see and go online and check these sites out for yourself. So until next time and next video, you guys be blessed. I love you all so much. Peace.